This is how to highlight text in Overleaf. Go to Overleaf and from your project dashboard, choose a project or you can create a new project. We will use a project. Okay, let's try report. Then we will add a package. So go to packages right here at the top. Then we will hit enter for a new line. Then backslash. We'll choose use package and we will set this to X color. Then we will highlight a text. Okay, for instance, here is the famous equation. Okay, we will type backslash, then color box. Then we will set a color on the first parenthesis. For instance, yellow. And on the second is the highlighted text. So we will enclose this text so that it will be highlighted to yellow. Then just click recompile. And here is the highlighted text. So this is how to highlight text in Overleaf.